The following segment is sponsored by Valley Creamery. If you are looking for an ooey-gooey, cheesy, and delicious Christmas morning breakfast sandwich, Lydia has us covered. Lydia, I am so excited about this.
I am so excited to be here today with Valley Creamery, and we are going to talk about how to make an easy sheet pan grilled cheese breakfast sandwich.
Well,
piece of cake.
Cheese is involved, so we know it's going to be great. Okay, what do we need? How do we do it?
So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with bread. We're going to put butter on it, of course.
Of course.
But that's just kind of phase one. We're also going to put bacon and eggs in a sheet pan in the oven to start, and that makes it so easy because you're cooking everything kind of in bulk. So for Christmas morning, you've got a ton of people over. You don't want to make things one at a time. You can set this in the oven, go about your day, go about your morning. It requires very little effort. The other thing that I've done here is I've done the bread here on the sheet pan.
Oh, this looks so good.
So you can see exactly what's going on with it. The other really nice thing about it is I used a few different Valley Creamery cheeses.
Ooh, talk to me about what cheeses
you
used.
I used pepper jack cheese, I used Gouda, I used extra sharp white cheddar, and I used the American cheese. They're already pre-sliced, ready to go. And then for like a little extra holiday something, I added Parmesan cheese to the base. And look at this. How it toasts up, and it's like lacy, crispy, delicious.
I love that. Okay, and how hot do you have the oven to bake all this?
So yeah, I have the oven just at 400.
Okay.
And then once the bacon and eggs come out,
all right, dish this up.
then we just go ahead and we do a little bit of assembly here. So it's a piece of cake. You can cook these any way you want, over medium.
And this is so easy because, like you said, Christmas morning, at least in my house, can be chaos. There's so many people around, there's presents going on, people, you know, they're talking, they're chatting, and you want to enjoy your Christmas.
Exactly.
So you want this to be a really easy breakfast, and that's what you've created.
This is the way that, you know, people can request specific cheeses, but you're not making sandwiches kind of one at a time individually.
Oh, I love this. This is so yummy. What is your absolute favorite cheese?
Yeah, I am a sucker for the Valley Creamery pepper jack cheese. It has real jalapenos in there. It is delicious. It's got like a little kick to it, but it's not too spicy.
Oh, I love that. I mean, for me, I love a good havarti. I love anything that's really sharp. And this, like I said, and this is going to make everyone happy because who doesn't love bacon, eggs, cheese, and bread? And
then like the crispy little bits right here.
Can I have some of this?
So good. And that's what takes it to the next level.
Oh, I'm eating, but that Parmesan is so delicious.
And again, that comes pre-shredded, ready to go. So all these different cheeses just give you inspiration for the home cook. You know, making a beautiful, really simple meal for your family Christmas morning.
There you go. You just made Christmas morning even more merry. Where can we go for more information, Lydia?
Yeah, absolutely. You can go to cashvalleycreamery.com, and Valley cheese is available at all of your local grocery stores.
There you go. Easy enough. Well, thank you so much for this recipe. It looks delicious.
Thank you.